was away for 3 days and looks like most of my plants survive with minimal water. Looks like my cucumber is suffering. I think it's almost the end of the season for them. It's still hot in Victoria. Let's see. Ooh, look at my tomatoes. Wow. Okay. There's a lot that I need to pick. Look at those. This one's dead. Oof. It's dead, but a lot has ripened, so. Oh wow, the eggplants have new flowers, so they're still thriving. Oh my gosh, just look at that. My calendula. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna pick all of those. And oh, okay, we have a casualty here. The rose. Oh, I think I need to plant this on the ground. This one's the lemongrass. Okay, they're out of water. I'm gonna have to fix that. But look at this. I think this is the San Marzano. I think it's ready to be picked. I'm not sure if it will turn red, but just look at that. Oops. Look, so pretty. Okay. They need the deep watering. I have a red tomato here. Oh, my cosmos. Flowers are dead. Oh, just look at this. Okay, this is my first calendula on this area. Looking good. And, oh wow, okay. This is my long snake bean plant. Okay, maybe you can do that. I know I saw a flower here before I left. Wait, is this the one? I think this is the baby. So freaking cute. This one, I think. Oh, wow. Yes. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Summer is not over, guys. They're all thriving. It's pretty exciting. Wow. Okay. Alright. Not bad. Good job. Oh, I have eggplants. Nice. Just look at those tomatoes. And my silver beets, they're thriving. Poor thing. Sorry. Oh, I think I have some cucumber ready to be picked. Or not. No, not yet. It's turned yellow, so I'm not sure. I think it's ready to be picked. This one as well.